Hello, YouTube! Are you ready to uncover the truth about custom window treatments? You might have heard a lot of myths surrounding them, from cost concerns to doubts about their impact. Well, today we're setting the record straight. But before I dive in, if you don't know me, my name is Jose Ciandre, serial entrepreneur, military veteran, and now a local business owner of a window covering franchise business called Made in the Shade, North Jersey, located right here in the Northern Highlands, where we transform bare glass and turn it into class. All right, so let's get ready to dive right in and change the way that you think about enhancing your home style and functionality with custom window treatments. Myth 1. Off-the-shelf options fit just as well. Many people believe that store-bought window treatments are a perfect fit for any window. The truth is that custom window treatments are precisely tailored to your window's measurements. This perfect fit ensures a seamless and elegant look, unlike off-the-shelf options, which sometimes can leave unsightly gaps or awkward overlaps. Myth 2. Custom treatments are overpriced. It's a common belief that custom window treatments are too pricey. Well, as the old saying goes, you get what you pay for, right? The truth is that custom options offer superior quality and durability. They are crafted from high-grade materials, meaning that they last much longer than their mass-produced counterparts. And over time, this reduces replacement costs, making them a smart investment. Myth 3. They don't improve energy efficiency. Some dismiss the impact of window treatments on a home's energy efficiency. The truth really is that custom window treatments can really significantly enhance energy efficiency. Options like insulated drapes and honeycomb shades help regulate your home's temperature, reducing heating and cooling costs. And just to show you an example, I actually have a cellular shade right here. So as you can see, as it expands, it reveals these pockets right here, which actually hold in the cool air and keep the hot air out during the summer as well. And some of them come with some really nice textured fabrics that gives it a nice appeal and style. So moving on, myth 4. Style variety exists everywhere. Many believe that you can find any design style in standard treatments. Well, the truth is that custom window treatments offer an expansive range of fabrics, colors, patterns, and textures. And this allows for a truly personalized style that matches your unique decor and taste, unlike other standard options. Myth 5. Cost isn't justified by the return. Some say that the cost of custom treatments doesn't equate to enhanced home value. Well, the truth is that high-quality custom treatments can significantly impact your home's market value. And they're often seen as premium features, just like you see with these door shutters, which are actually seen as a piece of furniture in your home, which adds sophistication and elegance that appeal to potential buyers that are seeing these shutters installed on windows. Standard treatments offer similar light control. It's thought that regular treatments provide equal light control. Well, the truth is that custom options offer exceptional control over natural light. Whether you need blackout shades for sleep or sheer drapes for soft lighting, custom treatments give you the flexibility to adjust light levels for any room's needs. So there you have it, folks. We've busted some of the biggest myths surrounding custom window treatments, proving that they can be stylish, energy efficient, and functional. So the next time you're considering an upgrade, remember the transformative potential of custom window treatments, and trust us, your home will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and check out more insightful content on our channel. Jose Ciandre, until next time, happy decorating. Bye for now.